This video will guide you how to replace the engine oil and oil filter in Mercedes E300. This Mercedes E300 214 model, and this engine is M254 and model year 2024. For replacing the engine oil, just we have to start the engine and wait for until operating temperature, and when it will reach then operating temperature, then switch off the ignition and wait for a few minutes. So in my job I was replacing first oil filter, and also I lose the engine oil filling cap. After that I will replace the engine oil, I will drain. So here is in this car there are no any dipstick. Just we have to remove the transmission protection underbody. Then we have drain screw here in the oil pin, engine oil pin, and use the screwdriver to loose and then remove the screw of the drain plug, and wait until this oil come out completely, then fix the new engine oil drain plug, because always we have to replace the new engine oil cup if they have seal and clean. Then we have to now fill the oil capacity is the 6 liter and the oil grade is 0W20. so don't forget to use the proper engine oil, which one is the recommended. Otherwise if you will use another oil, it will reduce the life of the engine and also some issue with the mechanical. So use the proper engine oil according to the recommendation. Now check the oil level. So go into service, and this is the simple way we can check. Another we are using for workshop mode, that one is the accurate, but now I am showing simple way so anyone can check. This is the 48-volt battery coolant tank. Also we have to check during service coolant level, and it's a main circuit for engine. And here is the washer fluid tank.